What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. We're finally at the point where we can put the finishing touches on this 1000 horsepower KA, but not before banishing this ugly orange block. It grew on me for the first 5 minutes, but after that I was done with it. Plus, if you guys stick around to the end of the video, I have a cool little hack you can use when removing the freeze plugs that will save you hours in the garage. Honestly, with the color being gone, I don't mind having it this way. This freeze plug hack is so simple, you'll wonder why you've been doing it the hard way all along. Alright, so when doing it this way, I don't have a punch, but if you have an extension, it'll work as well. It'll be just as good. The punch just has a little bit better of a point, but either way, you need something that's a little flat. You don't want to use a flathead screwdriver, but you want something that has a flat surface, because you want to get down in the bottom corner of the freeze plug. Take a hammer. You can use ball peen, you can use nailing hammer, roofing hammer. You can use whatever you want. Just make sure that you can get some good hits on it. But you want to go right in the bottom corner and give it a couple really good taps. So in some cases you can do it like that. In other cases, you just got to remember where you're at in the block to know where the cylinders are at. And there we go. Just like that, get those old ones out. But like I said, you want to, so now that we know that there's a little shelf here, what we'll do on this one, because you can see where it's open up top. So we're gonna go up top on this back one. We're gonna hit it here, and it should spin it out like a throttle blade. Let's take a second and admire the dedication that I put into this version of the build. Taping off the important stuff, that's real mature. But I got some stuff coming in that's gonna be real immature. Now we still have a few other things that we need to take care of before we can get this fully installed, but up to this point this is a massive goal and we're one step closer to 1,000 horsepower. And you guys already know the deal. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and have a good day.